Hello everyone. The project is the Mama course machine learning supporting women and family during pregnancy. It means that we use the machine learning based support system from pregnancy. In this project, uh, we predict the common pregnancy related to condition and give the advice. So first you will use this library, import PyForest, import sklearn pipeline, import make pipeline. The make pipeline is the function in scikit-learn and used for the machine learning program. It also used for the data processing also. The next one is the from sklearn model and selection, import, train and testing data. The next one is used for the naive model is the naive from multinomial and NB. So is a multinomial nearby is used for the classification or with the discrete feature also. It work from the word count for text classification. And next one is the from sklearn dot feature underscore extraction dot text import counter vectorizer. So counter vectorizer is also scikit-learn. It transfers the collection of text document into numeric matrix, or it also used to extract the feature from the text and image. So first we have to create data set. So data, I have taken the data is a variable name and I am using the dictionary. So first column name is the symptom symptom where we give the some values: shallow feet, back pain, frequency urination, several headache, vision problem, no movement, cramp, fatigue and bleeding. You can also add other values. And then second column name is the condition where I pass the normal, feeling better, then again normal, see doctor, doctor call and emergency, relief, feeling better and emergency. So now run, it's working. Now I have created data set. Now load the data set. So df is a variable name where I pass df pd dot data frame where pass the data, and then df dot head, then I give the condition is 7, so it show the 7 rows. So these the two column names, symptom and condition, and it show the 7 rows. Now shape, how many rows and columns? So 9 rows and 2 columns. And describe, so it describe the count values. So it count the 99, both are the 99 and unique values are 9, but in condition there is unique value is 6 because there I am using 2 times normal and emergency also 3 times, so that's why it give the 6 unique value. And top is the shallow feet, and in condition this normal, frequency is 1 and 2. The next one is splitting the data, then x I pass the df, then column name is the symptom, and then print x y where I pass the again next column name is the condition and print it. So it gave the y values. The next one is the train and x test y test equal train and test underscore split where x and y I pass, then text size is 0.2 means that you that training data is 80% and testing data is 20% and random state equal 0. So it's working. Now looking for the shape, so there is the 7 7 again x test dot shape, so it show the 2 and 2. Now build the model, create the model. So pipe is the variable name where I pass the make pipe and then pass the argument count vectorize and multi-nominal count vectorize. We know that it converts the string data or text data into numeric, or multi-nominal is also used for the classification. So working. The next one is the train the model. Pipe is the variable name. Dot fit which we want to check x train and y train. So it show the counter vectorize and multinomial. Now check the accuracy. So accuracy is the variable name where we pass the math type dot score and then pass x test and y tens and print the accuracy. You can also use to print this one is also you can use. So it give the 0.0. Now I want to use the input by the user. If the user input to any symptom, so first we create the user input equal input, then I pass the argument describe the symptom, then print the thank you if for using mama boards stay healthy. If user type any symptom, so what the results there. I am checking the back pain. If we have back pain, so I type the back pain, so it give the output thanks for the using mama board stay healthy. The next one is the then I have create the loop while user input dot lower not equal to exit. It means if you want to exit in this loop or any query, then you will have to use the capital letter, not a small letter, to exit the loop. So then predict is the variable name where I then equal pipe dot predict which we want to predict user input and start for the 0 and then print the mama board advice and then give the prediction. Again, if we want the condition if prediction equal to emergency, if someone is typed the emergency, so what it print the contact the health provider or emergency service immediately. Then again else if then and predict equal to see doctor, so it print the recommend appointment to the doctor as soon as possible, else print the seems normal and take care. Now print the next line. If they want to again ask anything, so it type, then it give the thank you. And last one is the user input equal input, then if they want to exit the loop, so it type the exit. Okay, now run it. So it give the I type the back pain, so it give the output seems normal take care. If I am using again in other option like several headache, so what is the output? Now I type again because I have I again type the several headaches. So it gave the advice that it recommended appointment a doctor as soon as possible. So it gave the gave the advice. Now I want to exit in this loop. If I type the exit in a small letter, so it's not working. The if I use the exit in capital EX, now it's working. It is I it, I quit the loop or queries. So this is the project about the mama board by using the machine learning based on the system for pregnancy. Thank you.